Hello, welcome to Shinji Kitchen. Well, look, this is a lunch tray you can get from a school cafeteria or company cafeteria, especially usually for lunch. The reason I brought this today is because I think it actually shows you what kind of idea Koreans have when they think about a Korean style meal. So I will just talk about a little bit more about this, and then I'm going to show you how to make one or two side dishes you can put it in this tray. I hope you enjoy today's recipe. Lunch tray usually has 5 sections, and rice usually goes here, and this section for the soup or stew, and the upper 3 parts usually for the side dishes. Today I'm going to make one of those side dishes, stir-fried fish cake. Other side dishes and soup I already made for my channels. This fish cake is a really commonly used one. I prepared 5 seeds and green onion, a little bit of carrot and onion. So easy recipe today. Chop the vegetables as you want. First the onion and the green onion. Just chop like this. You can make as you want. And because carrot is a bit solid, so I julienne to cook quickly. And cut the fish cake like this. This is the most common shape for this dish, but you can make it smaller or bigger. After heat the oil, just stir-fry onion and green onion first until they get softer slightly. After they get soft, add the carrot and stir-fry 1 or 2 minutes. When the carrot gets soft, just add the fish cake. Because this kind of fish cake usually slightly dry, so I add a little bit of water while I'm stir frying little by little to make softer. Usually 2 or 3 tablespoons will be enough. But if the fish cake already soft enough, you don't have to add any water. After fish cake gets soft, you can add the soy sauce. I put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce because I try not to eat that salty food, but if you want, you can add another tablespoon of soy sauce and add a little bit of pepper and roughly 1 teaspoon of crushed sesame seed. I think it's almost done. Just slightly mix together well. And I think it's done. Well, Did you like today's content? Well, I hope today's content actually helped you understand a Korean style home meal. Maybe next time I can show you other simple recipe for Korean side dishes. Anyway, thanks for watching, and any opinion will be welcome. See you next time.